Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to do plus 5's formula. We completed till plus 4 in the previous session. Today we are going to start plus 5 big friends formula. Okay. So plus 5 is the easiest one. Why? The friend of 5 is 5 only. How? If I close my 10 fingers, I open my 5 fingers. Number of closed fingers 5, right? So that's how I know that my friend of 5 is 5. Okay. What will be the formula? Add God less friend. Okay. That is add 5. Add 10 less 5. For 5 to 9, we have only big friends formula. So no need to look that if I don't have beats left and I can apply small friends, because there are no small friends for 5 to 9, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are no small friends. We didn't learn. So in 5 to 9, you just have to apply big friends. Clear? Okay. What is my big friends formula again? Plus 10 minus 5 plus God minus friend. Okay. Very simple. If I have 5 with me, I have to add a 5. Formula, add 10 less 5. Clear? I have 5 with me. What will be the formula? Add 10 less 5, add God less friend. Okay. Okay. Do one question with me, because for 5 only these types of questions can be made. Okay. Uh, do add 7, add 1, add 5, add 10 less 5. No matter what you have on Abacus, just stick to the formula. Okay. Now do one big question with me. Add 9, less 7, add 5, add 2, less 6, add 2, add 5, add 10 plus 5. Okay. If you must have noticed, I applied small friends also in the middle. Okay. So these types of questions can come and will come. Obviously, these types of questions are there where there are small friends and big friends mixed. We will make a separate video on that. Okay. So see you in the next session. Bye bye. If you have any doubts, drop in the comment section.